In this section, we look at overall program structure. First of all, a C# program is a plain text file, and the file name ends in .cs. Examples are painting.cs here, or hello world.cs. Now we'll have additions to this basic code, but this is the simplest stuff that will always be included. The file always is going to start with using system. We're always going to have a class, and you have to name it. The class has the curly braces defining its body. We're going to have a main function with this heading, and the main function's body is enclosed in braces. And then inside of that, we've got statements for the program, and we've introduced a few kinds of statements so far. Examples are the painting program. That was our early sample program. And here's the code. We have the class name here is painting. We have our main function, and we have our declarations. And this is the example we discussed in the sample program. It has a little more syntax than we've described in detail here, but the main things we've added are inside the main program. And the very simple one you had in the earliest lab was the hello world. And again, this is very little beyond the basic code. We're going to be using system. We've got a class hello, and inside the braces we have our main function, and inside its body enclosed in the braces we had one simple statement to write a line to the screen. Now in the previous section we discussed write line, where you end with going on to the next line, and console.write, where you just print the given material. Here's an example program that uses both of them, a silly program for illustration. So if the string S is just hello, we can write hello, we can write there, then we can write a line, again with S, which is hello, and another line, and then we can write starting, and write a line, yet another line. So let's see what it prints. We write hello, immediately following it is there, which we write. So the next part follows it immediately. We get the other hello, but since this was a write line, it goes on to the next thing that appears on the screen will be on the next line, and another line then appears, and again that is a write line statement, so it goes down to here. And finally we have write, and we just get the starting, and it doesn't advance to the next line, and finally we end up with yet another line. Now think, if we were to add another line that wrote something after this, right in here, would it start printing after the E here, or would it start printing under the S here? Make sure you understand the difference.